3D printing is a necessity. Just like Word and Excel courses, we were taught how to use a normal printer, and that time we had the dot matrix printer. But 3D printing is equally important and essential in the years to come. Almost everyone will need to know some design software to express their ideas. A 3D printer will probably be in everybody's bedroom, and that is what the entire world is envisioning. That we'll soon have 3D printers in everyone's homes. You just print. Right there. Even if you look at it from the industry perspective, it was initially designed only for prototyping. But today, jewelry industry, medical industry, dentists, animation movies, sports, cake making. So Godrej and Twasta in Mumbai collaborated and started the first commercial buildings. We are able to do something in Goa that would be really exciting because it's not a new concept. So these buildings are commercially being sold in US. There's a huge printer that comes, pours concrete into shape that you want. They finish it up and it's ready. The cost, they say, according to some reports that I've read, is less than 20% of what the normal cost used to be because you're completely eliminating labor in it. Very short time compared to your normal building. Probably a month. It depends on the scale and size of the project. So there have been tests done in different other countries to check for earthquakes, to check for tsunami resistance, for wind loads, for all kinds of safety tests. In Denmark, I think they were finding a shortage of masons and they used 3D printing to build an entire community. Mexico, they have built an entire refugee center with about 50 houses that have been completely 3D printed and a fraction of the cost, fraction of the time.